Welcome, teachers. Let's all be inspired by the quote of Brian Tracy saying, "Continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field." And that is true. So in order to be successful in our field as a teacher, let's all attend and support all of these August upcoming free webinar that will be presented by PowerUp Ur Instruction. Their theme for this webinar series is Building Bridges in the New Normal. All of these webinars will be live at 10 AM Philippine Standard Time. So this coming August 6, the topic will be finding and focusing first steps to remote teaching and learning. The speaker for this day will be Sir Marvin Cador Nigara, a bronze NYC teacher, certified Edmodo trainer, and Google educator. For this upcoming August 13, the topic will be assessment design in modular distance learning modality. And their speaker will be Dr. Ili Timbol, the Queen's New York City teacher, YouTube content creator for education. Next, this coming August 20, their topic will be supporting students with autism spectrum disorder through learning, overcoming challenges. And their speaker will be Elmer Palmones, the SPED Brooklyn teacher, New York City. For August 27, the topic will be designing effective and engaging remote live classroom. And the speaker will be Dr. Lilia Jill, the Director of Online Education and Academic Technology of State University of New York System. Their webinar series will be on August 31 and the topic will be incorporating rightful in online and modular distance learning. And their speaker will be Dr. Ili Timbol, the Queen's New York City teacher, YouTube content creator for education. Teachers, in order to attend, you need to fill out the pre-registration first. I will just put in the description box below the link of this form. In the form, you need to enter or type your email first. Next will be putting your full name, and that should be real name. Here, teacher, it states that this is a pre-registration only. To receive the e-certificate link and evaluation, you need to watch the live premiere and join the live chat in the YouTube channel where the link for evaluation will be given during each webinar session. So just click yes, I understand. Next, teachers, to get notification, please subscribe to the channel, their channel, which is PowerUp Ur Instruction, and hit the bell as a set reminder for each premiere video that will be uploaded before each training day. Check the premiere video in the YouTube channel before the training day. So just click yes, I understand, and then click the submit button. Teachers, always remember that to receive a certificate, you need to join their premiere and live chat in their YouTube channel, PowerUp Ur Instruction, where another link will be provided for e-certificate and evaluation. And another thing, on the date specified in the flyer, please find the premiere video, then click the bell as a set reminder to the webinar for that date. Before the actual training dates, a premiere video will be uploaded for you to click the bell as a set notification reminder. Always remember, teacher is a hero. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and like and share this video.